Hi traders, here we are on our live trading session weekly update. We're going to be looking at the same 8 instruments. We're going to be looking at some open positions that we have and also some closed positions that we've already closed, which some have gone in our favor. And we're going to be looking also at some potential trades that are setting up. This and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the MasterTheMarkets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Tune up on here, founder of MasterTheMarkets Illustrates Conference in the Traders Open Day. So let me swiftly move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on a great bullish move at the moment, as you can see. We have come out of that position, as you can see, is a closed position. As of last week, actually, we did close this. You can see over here, 12th September to 16th October, we rode it, got a nice, really good profit at £2,535 at £1,000 risk. Okay, that's what we got over there. Previously, we had a losing position, but we nicely caught that bottom over there, which held to become a weekly bottom. So we took it all the way from the 4-hour to become a daily and then to become a weekly bottom. So good. So that's that one there. In terms of Bitcoin. In terms of Ethereum, what did we have over here? At the moment, traders, the weekly bottom is confirmed over here. Did it take out the this bottom here? Yes, it did. So as of now, we're going to be taking a look at, so let me just take a look at the trend. In terms of the trend, as of now, so that is actually a downtrend, right? And that's a phase 1 at the moment, okay, is what we are having. Now, what we will do is before we take any positions, we'll take it in alignment with the trend. So what we are saying here is weekly is DTP2 now. Wait for confirmation bar high to be taken out. In fact, over here is where we were looking at that. But as of now, what do we actually have? We did have the confirmation bar high on a phase 1. Actually, the low needs to be taken out. But we are having quite a high probability towards the downside here, because if you take a look, right, so there's actually a large percentage of move left to the downside, but we just got to be cautious that this doesn't confirm the bottom. Okay, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone. So if I go on to the daily, what I'll be really looking for over here, and this is overlaid with the VSA Lite software as well, I'm looking actually for the top to confirm on the daily before I take any continuation moves over here on Ethereum. So I'll just note that down over here. So let me just say, that's what I say, wait for daily top to confirm before taking trades in alignment with weekly downtrend. Okay, so this one I will remove that for now. This is the latest update. Okay, so we swiftly now move on to gold. So on gold at the moment, traders, again, we closed this position just recently. What we did do over here is we did write this on the short side, where entry was on the 4-hour, stop loss, and then on the target, where that was on 60-70% probability trade from the close of that bar. Now, we track this all in real time on our channel, Master the Markets 2010. And you can see over here in the last one where we were talking about all of this in terms of gold and all that. You can see live trading session 243. You can see that as well. 242 as well. And then we would have talked a little bit on gold much before 2 as well. Okay, so you can take a look at all of that, and you can also see us taking some short positions on gold on intraday time frame as you scan through our ideas section here at Master the Markets 2010 Trading View channel. Right, so that's the one over there. Now, in terms of gold at the moment, it's turned around. It is doing actually an uptrend phase 1 at the moment, traders. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying over here. So what we will look at is for more continuation moves to the upside. So if I take a look on the daily, so what I will wait for is wait for daily top to confirm, and then after that wait for bottom to confirm. And when the top confirms, we can even take a look on the 4-hour for a continuation move towards the weekly. So I'll just update this over here. Wait for top, wait for daily top to confirm, and then daily top, and then daily bottom to confirm, which is what I'll write over here, and then daily bottom to confirm before taking continuation trades on continuation trades in alignment with weekly. Okay, so that's what I will put over here as a note. And when I take a look at the monthly traders, I can also see that that could become this potential bottom could well become a monthly bottom. Okay, really good big buying pressure came in on this month over here, which is October, isn't it? Really big month over here, which is what we are seeing. Right, so that's what is happening. Just a quick look on the monthly as well. Did we have a bot? Yeah, we did get a top confirm. It could, usually there's only one top, so it could oscillate around there. So anyway, we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll see how that carries on to be. Now, on pound, as of now, price structural failure, GBP/USD over here, downtrend as of now, quite overextended. So wait for bottom to confirm. That's what we are looking over here. Weekly is downtrend phase 1. Wait for bottom to confirm on daily. However, just be cautious that this is overextended. If I want to take a look at the probabilities of this low being taken out, that is about 700 points. If I take a look on this, let me just hide the volume for a minute. If I were to take a look at this 700, and if I were to hide the news updates as well, let me just hide events on chart. Once it takes out the 700 point, there's an equal probability of 750 and 800 to be taken out. It can carry on even to 850. So wait and see. We did take a short position on the daily over here when the top got confirmed towards continuation to take out that low. However, we didn't get that, and we did trail it quite tight. So we've been stopped out of that on a 50% open equity strategy. Okay. But of course, you keep running the numbers because this is a probability game. Okay. That's how we got the stats chart to track. So highly probably this could become a bottom, but we'll wait and see how that carries on to be. But if it does take out that low, high probability that it will carry on further down. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. So as of now, so wait and see how that plays out to be. Euro dollar on the other hand, traders, what are we having? Weekly top confirmed, right? As you can see over here, waiting for daily and weekly bottom to confirm before considering any continuation moves in alignment with weekly downtrend phase 1. Okay. That's what we're looking at. So if I want to take a look on the daily, what am I looking for? Is the bottom confirm? Yes, the bottom did confirm over here, traders over here. So we'll wait for weekly to confirm, weekly bottom to confirm as well. And then what we will then do is we will then take a look at the daily top to confirm. Okay, so that's what we will wait for. So I'll just change this. This is kind of current as of now. So that is 23rd October traders is what we are looking for. Yeah, in alignment with weekly in alignment weekly time frame. I'll just put, because the weekly might turn into a phase 2. Okay, now I'm getting some messages saying that people are saying, some of these terminologies they're not really understanding. So what I would highly recommend is, traders, go and take a look at our Trader Starter Pack video course over here. Copy that link, put it into there, put your name and email address. You will get those video course. Highly recommended because it comes from our 15 years of collected research and our 40 years of cumulative team experience as well here. We've been leveraged by the quant traders. So when you put the link over here, you will come to this page where you can put your name and your email address and phone number optional if you want to get live trading updates. And you can watch the free 5-day video course. Really high quality content that we post out over here. You can also check the stream section as well. We got some really good quality material over there as well, like 7 steps to consistent trading performance and so on. And follow us on the channel to get any updates. Right, so with that, let me carry on. So euro dollar, S&P. Now that's an interesting one over here. So we got an open position here, which is a short position here. We entered it on actually a daily entry 4278 because we're looking for continuation move. Because think about it, traders, yeah, from this confirmation bar on the weekly where the top got confirmed, this is what we call a downtrend phase 1, alignment with the trend. For it now to take out this bottom here, which is already has taken out, right? And carry on and take it to the next target. Let's take a look. That is about 102 points, isn't it? But the 60% weekly point here is 150 points, as you can see. That's where the green line is. So I'm taken off 150 from the close of this confirmation bar. So that's 4170 is what we are saying here, 60% weekly. You see how we are trading based on statistics and probabilities? That's what it's all about. That's why we are so unique over here at Master the Markets, because we have quantified the tops and bottoms. This is what we spoke about on the STA talk as well, where we were invited to come and talk. The Society of Technical Analysis, which has been going on since the 1950s for a very long time, very prestigious organization. That's what got them also to invite us to come and talk, because it's very unique. We're all based on statistical probabilities how we trade. So here, traders, what we're looking at, so on the daily, if you take a look, we got in over here, right? So where it basically confirmed here, right? And then we are taking it further down towards a weekly probability point. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We'll track that as it goes along, right? So that's what we are doing over here. Okay, now I'll just do that. I'll just update that very quickly. So taking continuation moves, which is what I will say. Taking continuation moves on daily in alignment with weekly. Okay, now as of 23rd October, so wait and see how that carries on to be. Now in terms of the next one, Brent oil is what we are taking a look at. Now Brent oil traders, what we can see over here, we did take a look at this position on 50% open equity as well on the upside. We did take a continuation move on the daily, but we did get stopped out around here as we trailed a bit more tighter. However, in terms of weekly, what is it taking a look at? It's taking a look at weekly phase 2. So at the moment, this is an uptrend phase 2, right? Uptrend phase 2. I would say it is usually a high probability that that low will be taken out. If it doesn't and does a V reversal and goes straight up, that's a bullish trend. So what will we do? what we will do, traders, is wait for the daily bottom to confirm where we took a trade. If it carries on more further up on the daily, we won't do anything. But if the top gets confirmed and then the bottom gets confirmed, then we might take a trade in alignment with the weekly. So I'll write that over here. At the moment, weekly phase 2, taken out 83.46 and wait for daily bottom to confirm before taking P1 weekly turning point. Nothing has much changed over here. So this is our line of action, what we will do. So we'll wait for this low to be taken out. Okay. Right. Now, the last one is Dow Jones. Dow Jones is a bit interesting over here, what we have. So what we're going to be taking a look at over here is, in terms of trade order details, we are taking a long position here, which I've been riding for a long time, at here 3311, 32810 here, and target to be confirmed, right? The only thing is now retracing, and the thing with this kind of strategy is very hard to trail your stop loss because you are now trading it now on the higher time frame. What we do is we take it on the lower time frame first, where we got in around this bar on the 4-hour, and then we are waiting for that 4-hour bottom to confirm on daily, which it did on the same day. Then now we are waiting to ride it onto the weekly. But in the time being when it does that, you can't really do much. You got to wait for the trail patiently. It might take us out, and at that point we would take a hit on it. But at the same time, what's interesting on the Dow Jones, we're also taking a short position for, you see, that 2000 point target here from this point here, right, from the confirmation bar, which we are taking from here onwards, is a 35% probability, okay, is what we're doing. So we're hedging our position, actually, seeing which one actually rides more further. Because on the daily, this is actually a phase 1 move, is it not, traders? Yeah, it's a phase 1 move, downtrend phase 1. So if this continues on its bigger strength, then the higher probability is that it can get to its 2000 point target on a short basis, but this is, you're trading a counter trend on an uptrend. Okay, that's what we are doing. So you must always know which part of the cycle phase you are in. Always very critical on every time frame, because remember the principle that nothing can move in a straight line forever. That's why we look at probabilities where it can start to turn and resume with its overall bigger time frame trend. Okay, that's all we are doing over here. Alright traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. And as I mentioned, you can always take a look on our 2010 channel, MasterTheMarkets 2010 channel. Take a look at our free 5-day video course first to understand all these ideologies, and that's what we are taking a look over here. So you can quickly get access to that video course by name, email address, and number, optional for live trading updates. And you can take a look, and all this will start to make sense much more better. Alright traders, that's pretty much that from me on this trading video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.